Thank you. No play, no play. Baba, leave her, leave her. If you want play, play for K, Super K. The reason why I want to perform is say, billionaires, if they call show, they don't wait till the end of the show. Hey, my brother, hello, give us suya, give us suya. Balogun, did I give you suya? Take and chop the indomie where you pack for COVID-19. All right, Magnificent, please step up, please. Well, show. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know Magnificent, come. In case you don't know Magnificent, please, ladies and gentlemen, celebrate her, please. This Magnificent, show. Let people see you, show. In case you don't see this Magnificent, you're always here on Rave FM. But when you go do your own show? Huh? Oh boy. Is this Brazilian hair? Huh? Oh boy. You be like today bread. Thank you very much. You can have your seat. Kia, may I do my own, sir? Sir, now because of your one corner, before you they go. I know, say, they tell me, send your hazard. The day where you tell me, say, turn your hazard, and then the thing say you be Yahoo. All right, I want to appreciate somebody here. Kao Concept. I appreciate you, sir. Tell about the phone complaint, Loruko. Wow, Teba notice, Bilao. Eba ngbe Bilao sina. Oruko la yan man lo láti fi sọ̀rọ̀ complaint lórúkọ. An gbo Bilao. Ẹ lọ wò dáadáa, Biliaminu. Lórúkọ ẹni yẹn. Kao Concept, very touche. KAO. Kolawole Abbas Oluwaseun. Kolade Abbas Oluwaseun. Kao Concept nìyẹn. But if you want to see something like, you get another one where they see La Plate. Anytime you buy La Plate, in Kaburukulo Mama see mind me. Michael Chichi. Kilo wa mind here. One of my La Plate. La Plate. Nifty. Another. Waka for me. I believe it. Waka for me. Waka for me is meant for both the husband and the wife. Waka is Wakili. The for me is Folakemi. They have to. But Wakili, Mokisa. Which, You get another one again. TBS. I don't know that one. I don't know. But very now international than be. You know, so I never been to. Sir, I need to go to Dubai, sir. All right, which one again? Which one? Latco, Lade Nigeria, Sweet Taste. Change that. I want one. Komi, he using personal name. They take out the soul cloth. Komi culture. I celebrate you, sir. The cloth you saw for my grandmama, that's Sultana. Now you tell where I go ever. Hey, check everybody. I say, talo be wrong. What they fit here by? Man, say another one. Be sick and light and them. Bilal, nani? Wait, come back. Bilal. Tell me O Silayi at OSBC. BCS to the man wona Ishana. All right, which one again? Again, one man will say it say POP. Is it a POP for leg or for building? Segment. And to share segment. Is there segment? Segment use is in grandmama name. 10 name complaint. Segina 2. Abi, sir. Segina 2. Bemezola. Ofema mi won abi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's just keep that down. Last year, Corona, around August, where were you? Ibolibegwawa. Ede, Washere, Ambassador Indomie. Everybody was on lockdown. There's what we call Black Friday that is happening now. Black Friday. I say I want to do Black Friday for social media. You know, every celebrity always do something. What can you do with 5K? Put your account number under the comment section. You remember that, Tati? I called to do big boy. I said 5 people. ìyẹn márùn-ún send account number lóòótọ́ mo send sẹ́ni àkọ́kọ́ 5k ẹni ẹ̀kejì ẹni ẹ̀kẹta tí màá send mo fẹ́ type 5k mo lọ ṣe mistake send 50k èmi wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sẹ́ni tó ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní order fún give away mo á pẹ́ ní hello sir mo fẹ́ send 5k sí yín mo ṣe mistake 50,000 mo busy pè mí later mo ń ṣe meeting lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ń lé old bill for 5k 20 minutes after mo pé padà hello sir kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ mo ní owó tí mo send sí yẹn ẹ bá mi send 45,000 padà ó yá send account number I will see what I can do but tó máa send owó ó send 20,000 nínú 45,000 mo á pè pé sir 20,000 nínú lẹ́sẹ̀ nínú 45,000 ó ní mo ti reach a limit me for the day call mi lọ́la lórí owó mi ìyẹn better abeg I need chair abeg Margaret give me chair Margaret abeg give me chair. You know, I always love something about our state, Osun. If they work out every morning, take it or you leave it. Osun, very beautiful now. Kò sí dọ̀tí. Governor tó wà ńbẹ̀ kò like ìdọ̀tí. Everywhere they clean. Thank you. Easy, my brother. Take care easy. For Osun now, Governor, they, everything. So wọ́n ti sẹ́ pé kéèyàn kankan máa ju ìdọ̀tí sílẹ̀ lẹ́mọ̀. 3 days ago for Okefia governor with his escorts wow nínú jeep tí governor wà gangan tẹ́yẹ dókè Okefia wọ́n wind down wọ́n ju paper lẹ̀ wọ́n lọ wow àwọn èèyàn parọ́ pé what is happening governor are you living by example or what irú governor wọlé lẹ́yà kò ju 1 minute lọ governor dey reverse wow wọ́n bọ́lẹ̀ nù jeep wọn. Ó sọ̀kalẹ̀ ó mú pépà yẹn ó wọnú mọ́tò padà wọ́n lọ àwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pàtẹ́wọ́ lókè fíà lójú àwọn èrò pàápàá sí governor is living by example. Mo wá dénú gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì àti nǹkan bí aago 6 lálẹ́ mo ní dádì yes daddy sísá mo appreciate nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe lọ́dún sẹ́yìn sà ẹ ju pépà sílẹ̀ kò ju 1 minute lọ padà wá mú fúnra yín ó ní àbúrò kò lè yí ẹ MTN recharge card tí mo load kò wọlé mo padà wá mú. Normally, we comedians, entertainers, during the festive period like this, they always call us. ATM machine, gbogbo banks ló ní orin tó máa ń kọ. If you go to Lagos during Christmas period, be it Skybank, GTB, Ecobank, orin Christmas song gbogbo máa ń kọ ATM machine máa ń gbọ́. Tẹ̀rẹ̀tẹ̀ tẹ̀rẹ̀rẹ̀tẹ̀ tẹ̀rẹ̀tẹ̀ ọtí tí mo tó dé Ìbàdàn. Ìbàdàn ṣe wà mí ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o àwọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn ní ẹ lóòótọ́ ATM ní Ìbàdàn during Christmas period gbogbo èèyàn sọ tẹ̀rẹ̀tẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ l'Abuja orin tí ATM ń kọ́ Ìbàdàn ké kí ni màá ti ṣayé yìí sí o kò yé mi ayé tótó ayé màlè mo ní ATM ó ń sọ Yorùbá níbi òjé mo fẹ́ lu ATM mo fẹ́ gba 5,000 mo ní kókó mo fi ti káàdì bọ̀ ATM ní bọ̀dá ẹ̀tẹ̀ káàdì yín bọ̀ mí lára mo ní ATM ẹ̀tẹ̀ nọ́mbà ìkọ̀kọ̀ yín normally ATM pin mẹ́rin ló yẹ kó jẹ́ mo ṣe mistake mo lọ tẹ 5 kókó ATM ní sí ọ̀rẹ́ ọ́ gbẹgbẹ́ rẹ ní pin 4 wọ́n tẹ 5 ó yá tún tẹ̀ mo tún tẹ̀ kókó ṣé o fẹ́ gbowó ni àbí o fẹ́ yẹ owó wò mo wá tẹ mo fẹ́ gbowó. Normally, if normal ATM will say transaction in progress, ATM say ayé tótó ayé màlè. ATM kọ́ bá ṣe àwẹ̀ yìí o lówó lákàntì yọ káàdì ẹ̀ kí n tó pariwo lè lé ọ lórí nìsín. Mo ní bí 5,000 tí mo expect látọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi Super K ó yẹ kó ti wọlé náà. ATM ṣe ni mo yẹ yọ káàdì mi ni mo wá lọ sí next ATM wọ́n pè bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ògbèrè tí ó yà ní Ìbàdàn. Yẹ kí tí ATM bàbá ATM ní. Àṣẹ tọ́ọ̀gì ní ATM yẹn ń ṣe àwọn bíi tá I remember when there was nobody ATM ní mo ní ATM ló ń ṣe bíi tọ́ọ̀gì ọ̀gbẹ́ni tí káàdì ẹ̀ wọ̀ I started my ATM card and say tẹ pin code ẹ kókókó I got the press meanwhile the money wey I don dey expect ó ti wọnú account n gbọ́ everybody tó ti gbọ́ sound yẹn inú yẹn á ti dùn mo fẹ́ gba 5,000 jẹ́ kí owó jáde mo kàn yọ ni. Every Yoruba man kò sẹ́ tó gbó lẹ́nu ATM tí ò kàwó jẹ́ kí n kàwó mi wò 4,000 mo bá ń bẹ̀ mo ní 5,000 mo tẹ 4,000 ló jáde 800 mi lóní ọ̀gbẹ́ni ṣọ́ọ̀n fáwọn boys nìkan ni mo ní tí wọ́n fáwọn boys nìkan 1,000 ti pọ̀ ju ní sùúrù máa jẹ́ lọ́bẹ̀ ṣe change wà mẹ́ẹ̀ but wọ́n ṣe change 500 mi. But normally for this Nigeria if you dey see some pikin some children the difference between pikin and children a child tó yẹ pé ọmọ doctor ni tó bá ní kọ́ recite A for apple bóyá máa kà máa yàtọ̀ A for aspirin B for vitamin B, C for chloroquine, D for diastrophin. What I pay ọmọ doctor lele. But ọmọ tó pé ọmọ pastor. It go yes like A for apostolic, B for blessed Jesus, C for Christ apostolic, D for deeper life. Which ọmọ ta nìyẹn? Ọmọ pastor. Ọmọ tó pé ọmọ táùtù ni ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì. Ọmọ alága gáràjì. Àmọ́ àgbọ̀ òṣè. A for agbèrò, B for bọ́lẹ̀, C for kárígò, D for dúró dédé, E for ẹ̀gúnjẹ, F for fílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, G for grow sound, E for èwo ló túkù, G for go on sound, H for aya ọ̀gá mi, I for ìgè ẹ̀gúnjẹ, J for jọ ọ́ pàṣẹ kọ́ ọmọ tọ́ọ̀gì nìyẹn. Normally every entertainer. Papi Wizzy, I will sit down na my performance. Bedru Lecha, you're welcome. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have in the midst here, all the way from the States. Papi Wizzy, please celebrate him, please celebrate him. He just got back from the States. Ladies and gentlemen, Papi Wizzy. Wait! DJ! Papi Wizzy just got back from the State CID this evening. Thank you very much, that's my time. God bless you.
All right. Yes, so thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for my brother, MC Diop. Appreciate him. Appreciate him. Where Papi Wizzy? They say don't. Never see him. Papi, where are you? I don't want to fish. Teach me how to fish. Put your hands together for him, I beg. Papi, some people, now better be that. Why can't be like your bodyguard? MC Bedu, I greet you, I celebrate you. Thank you very much. Papi Wizzy said he will come for this show all the way from Lagos, and he's here. Mona clap for him again. The show never ends. No worry. Now, so we're going to do until we're 12 knock here. He go shock una. You check your time, say 12, don't knock. Go school. Education is not a scam. So it's a scam. Now lie you. When you go, we understand. I know school. Hey, 1, 2. One guy no go school now, so in fight, they arrest him. As he reach station, they say right statement. Problem come. The guy come begin copy somebody will commit murder. Not be smart, you know. You know, say the way where life don't change. Now, when you type on your phone, you have autocorrect. If they remove autocorrect from our phone, problem go there. Now, so one guy want other conflicts. You know that they put for shirt. He want order am for Jumia. Now, so he go write coffin. They deliver 2 coffin for him. Go school. Hey, the way things are happening now. Coming culture. Where you? God bless you. The way this country be now, you go buy material, 3,000 naira. Tailor go tell you say one sew and 10,000 naira. I beg, what are you sewing? This country don't hard though. The way things are now, people are crying, but we are going so. No chop your teeth. Person will say we are going somewhere. If you have teeth, if you get teeth, you chop and nobody go lap you. Now so you just reach. Now, my family, they are here, Rave 91.7 FM, and I appreciate them so much for their presence here today. You know, being on radio is great, especially when you have a fan like Michael Chinchin. I'm gonna clap for that guy again. That guy can be interesting, annoying, and crazy. The three of them join together. Boss of all bosses. I don't enter. I bet where you go before? Eh? You don't enter. If voice not the ever clear. So sometimes network they cut and come out. People go, they ask me too much. How do you do it? Michael Chinchin call they ever they enter. He go they enter. Panya no they line. Me go they call, he no enter. I say my brother ask Michael Chinchin. The thing be like business so. It be like say Michael Chinchin they collect money for shout out. If you want to make it shout out, it be like textbook. When he don't make a, if you give a shoe, Michael Chinchin go shout out to you for Saturday Serere and greet you for no tension zone. I mean, want to clap for that guy again. He's trying. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. Papi Wizzy. It don't say where I see you small. I better stand, may I see you. May I see you. Hey, small but mighty. The first time where I see Papi Wizzy, I almost, when they talk to me, I no see him because I was looking very far. But was there any voices? He's a great guy and he's doing well musically. I beg. If you never download the song, when I download that, I want to blow you, sir. When I talk, shake it. You said it? No, he's standing. Papi Wizzy, doesn't mean you stand up. You want to make it climb chair? Yeah. When I download this song, how many of you remember Zacchaeus or Bible? When Jesus they pass, he no see Jesus. He can't run, go climb. And Jesus can't go he. Zacchaeus stop passing. My brother, it be like say the off get you for mind. Don't worry. All is well. Your shortcoming will never be seen. I greet you so very much. Thank you very much. I have other guys that are supposed to be here tonight, but it just be like that. And we are celebrating tonight. And I mean, una dey celebrate. All of now wait there for regular. I greet you now. You people are very important to me. I won't lie to you. Thank you very much. Please put your hands together for them there. If you are sitting down there, please put your hands together for yourself. $K don't come. Hey! Another person don't come. This show just starts. They get money. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for K Dollar himself. He's here. Mona clap for her bag. Mona clap for her. Hey! I no go just greet him. Wait till I do to others, now I go do to them. K Dollar. I don't see you. This small time. Mona see life. Oh. All the photographer can't leave me where they do show. They call they snap K Dollar. Now me they do show, not be K Dollar. Thank you very much. Make I go greet them specially. As I greet other people, make I greet them too. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. This is the first time you are seeing me, right? And this is the first time I'm meeting you too. Our two just meet ourselves. God bless you. You will go places, sir. Why you shocked? I say you go places, say, okay, you've gone already. You've gone to places already. Sure, God bless you. He has gone to places and he will continue. He went to walk up. Sit down, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. When you see people where want help you, greet them, because I go see do season 3. The reason why I agree to Nana because season 3 day, season 4 go there, season 5 go read 20. We go do them as idiot. Okay, quickly. Where is MJ? Ladies and gentlemen, I have my brother here. He will come do something now. The reason why I'm doing this is I want Balogun Ilu to relax. He don't try. He has tried a lot today, and I don't want to stress him much. Put your hands together for this young man. He's doing well for himself. He's done great in comedy, and he's here tonight to celebrate with me on scripted comedy. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you MC MJ. Wanna clap for her now? Appreciate her.
All right. It don't do. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. If you can hear me like this, you are doing well in life. But if you are finding it difficult to hear me like this, the Lord will help you. Ladies and gentlemen, help me celebrate Maoga. Wake up spirit that time. God bless you, sir. Please, a round of applause for him. A round of applause for him. I can't feel like to pray for you the more. Should I? I'd rather want to me. Should I? Can I say something to you? Will you listen to the man of God? Should I calm down? You see, the Lord called me. I picked my call. Shake me. Shake me. I want to pour something into his life. I have one spirit. Whenever I shake you, I know the bank where you use and the amount where they bank. Shake me. GT. 7.8 billion. No, I'm coming. I'm going somewhere. Okay, shake me. Shake me. First Bank. 700,000. She netting. Okay, shake me. No worry. This one no get bank. Let me. This one a bankless person. Who be this one? This one the whole apple. Who is Akuda? This one no get account. All right, ladies and gentlemen, sharply, no time to check time. Make I do my drop mic. Now, I bet if you not say you there this evening, now woman you be. I bet clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. All the ladies in the house, please a round of applause for yourself. Now I want to give you very vital information and warning. If you not say you there this evening, a man carry you come out, and the man don't spend money, buy tickets, you don't chop fish, you don't drink for year today. And you know say if you not come out for your rich room, you go tell and say you know they in the mood. Talk now, may you pay for what you don't chop. Man, am I speaking your mind? Oh, see the woman say no. How you go carry woman come out? She go chop fish, chop this thing, come rich room, say she know they in the mood. That's wickedness. No, that's wickedness. Talk now with the same mood for year, 2 mood, 30 naira. Go buy and give you, make you swallow. But ladies and gentlemen, sharply may I do this one. Now, inside Oshogbo and Ibadan, which place they exposed pass? Mona answer now. Which place they exposed pass? Hey, voila. Inside Oshogbo men and Oshogbo women, which people no book pass? You say it? Inside Oshogbo men and Oshogbo women, which people expose pass? Inside Oshogbo men and Oshogbo women, who no book pass? You say it? Inside Oshogbo men and Oshogbo women, who like a wolf pass? A wolf. Wait, this woman, everything just they shout women. Who you be safe? Women, all true. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me do this and I drop the mic. Because even me, I don't get stressed. I may know for I know this song. I'ma see brother. Brother way mumu. Now, this particular song, the time when the song come out, my uncle just come back from UK. He could tell us, say, mo go club. Mo go spend money. DJ, you get the song, Abi? Look for the song. Now, if we go club, we were spending money, everything was going well. Not until when DJ played this particular song. Drop her if you don't see her. You never see her? Now, wow. Now, let's just do it. Now, we don't spend money, we don't drink, everywhere don't fool. Night DJ don't play this song. I bet we could do it together. DJ, they look for her. Almost see, brother. Brother, we mumu. But that way no get sense. Now when my uncle hear this song, meanwhile I ain't supposed to pay for where till don't chop. As he can't hear the song, he can't the reason. Almost see brother way momo. He can't tap me. He say they come. He won't go buy something. When the guy go outside, from where he go buy something, we don't say don't go house. Now 30 minutes later, they come bring bill for us. As they bring the bill, me collect the bill. I look the bill, 2.8 million naira. I can't give person where they near me. That want to look at 2.8 million naira. I can't carry phone. I go call my uncle. 30 minutes, we never see him. Now I carry phone, call him. Bros, where you dey? Now bros, they come, they tell me, say, almost see brother way mumu. Brother don't go out so. As I dey talk to you now, brother they road to Ghana. Now we don't chop bill, 2.8 million. You know, so when you go club, bouncers where they outside, they big pass bouncers where they inside. Now, bouncers where they outside, now they can come inside. Come meet our table, say, oh, I'm gonna pay una money. 2.8 million. As I talk to you here now, we be 6 where go the club, boss my brother 7. Now let me come out. The remaining one day there, they serve. They pay them 80, 500 naira. Now we don't know where 2.8 million will complete. So maybe not there they go to sleep from now go on. But ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. The weather no, it all change.
Thank you very much, MC MEJ. Thank you, I appreciate. No play that song for me. No play that song for me. This brother get it is you. I still have Papi Wiz in the house. And we're almost getting there. You see, when I introduce my wife, many of on at the club. But I want to advise those that are not married. Make I advise Balogun Ilu and others. Young man, when anybody tells you go and marry, tell us say whether in go pay for the wedding. Marriage is sweet, but there's something that is pushing it. Yes. And when they tell me, say, go marry, I say, I go marry. Now, so I go see that fine girl there. She is from the east. And I know how Igbo people be. But they changed my mentality. But even at that, nobody tell me, oh, when you marry, you are on your own. Am I right? All the married people, am I right? Yeah, so they're going to tell you, say, go marry, go marry. The minute you marry, they're not going near you again. When you are not married, they can always come and say, he's single, let us. Once you are married, they assume that you are capable. You understand? He who finds a good wife finds a good thing. Make I put good wife. Normally na women. Women are good. Yeah, great. So, when one marry, I think well. I should be money for her, money for list. If you go east, there is money for list. But for the west, do you have list? Sporty bet. The off don't carry 2.5 tire. One don't cut am. People where they play sporty bet, I beg, all of now they play bet here. How now they survive? No, sorry, let me not say all of now. All of us, when they play bet, the of ambassador. Now when I start to play bet, now I turn to the fan of all club where I carry. If West Ham want play Norwich, I carry West Ham to win. I don't talk to West Ham fan. You hear, it remains small. They say too much things happen. West Ham must win. Oh. You be that fan. I say leave am. I am a Gunner fan. Arsenal. You know, say we Arsenal fan, nothing can shock us anymore. If we win, it's not a shock. We lose, it's not a shock. We draw, it's not a shock. He get one of my friend almost died of heart attack. How many of them don't carry game where he be say, now the last one remain. They come the player and at 2.5 you give them. First half 0-0. Second half 60 minutes they score 1 goal. You see remain how many goals? 2 goals. They come they play they go. If God want come bless you, you come they watch that match. Hey, your mind go enter your belly. They come go score 2-0 for 86 minutes. My brother, what is your prayer point? One more. Now so I carry 1 ticket. I watch this match reach extra time. That team was very stupid. So they give the penalty. You know, say, you get as they go, you carry game. They give the team where you carry to win penalty. You go come on for the bet, say, Eleitiwa, you don't come already. 93 minutes, they give the team, may they score 1 goal, penalty. Now, so I come up for sporty bet. I throw my phone. I begin to spend money whenever I come. I say, this one don't come. I no say that idiot go miss the penalty. Trouble that night. My wife no. Whenever my ticket cut, I'm not happy. People where they play bet, I know say I no go talk. Mark up this call, he call come on, like say no know how they talk. See how concept come boom. He call the press phone. See the off can concentrate. He like this topic. The off can discuss bet 2 hours. You know say he get topic where they go to discuss, where they touch you. You go concentrate, they listen. If I start some topic now, some people go want concentrate. It's because I'm a Christian, so I don't say some joke anymore. I don't they talk about all those ashawo. No. I'm no more in the world. I know some people want to hear such joke, but I don't talk about ashawo, prostitute, runs guest. No. It's raw. How can he be saying somebody will carry ashawo and all that? What's that? It sounds so raw. Some people can say, now so they go one place, they can see one gay. How do you cope? And when you are saying this type of joke, men go come serious. They no one laugh. Because when you laugh, your wife go ask you, why are you laughing? It will come be problem. So I don't discuss such jokes. We do straight jokes, funny ones, Christian, normal. Make we just day. Make everybody they enjoy himself, they go. Papi Wizzy, they laugh. This guy don't see life. Papi Wizzy, they come show, they carry like 7 people follow body. One go hold Itowe. One go hold flash drive. Another one go hold the drink. When he done the drink, since Lagos, come Oshogbo. One go hold cup. All right. One go fish from Lagos to Oshogbo. You carry like 7 people follow body. This guy say when I finish, may I give her this shoe? I will help you. I will help. Oh, now when you talk with that, when I Slivita, borrow this man glasses. He's short-sighted. Young man, you need glasses to see. This is fitted. May I see your shoe? I bet Waka go first. Waka go. You know say he get how you go talk, Chris. Where you for the Congo come far. He get how you go talk as a comedian when you are not funny. When you climb stage, you told you. Nobody laugh. Your seat go come far from you. You don't go know how to drop the mic. Now be this man. Waka go. He dey think am. Okay, you want to sit down here. You go shall go. Put your hands together for him. I appreciate him. When I don't say, he just want me. We say, I don't know why you can't stop my joke now. Just because say you wear shoe. All right. I'm not going to take time again. We don't try today. But I have Papi Wizzy here that will do whatever I know how to do best. Papi Wizzy, how you doing tonight? Ladies and gentlemen, if you get heartbreak, not be all song you dey listen to. Starts everywhere quiet. People don't chop breakfast tire. When you get heartbreak, now that time some of us they listen to Celine Dion. Problem. They will come cry, bucket go full. Papi Wizzy, which kind of song you will give us today? Not be blues. I believe you die. I can bet anything on top your head. You are winning the next Grammy. Sorry. Now, so 99 say he go win Grammy. We never see him for nomination. Burna Boy is being nominated back to back. And very soon you will get there, my brother. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time we'll be waiting for. If your hands are not busy, jam it as I welcome on stage. Papi Wizzy! My guy, swag. When are they clap for him? And your papi. Oshe baby. Oshe kinyo. The day where Papi Wizzy tell me Oshe baby, I call they look at one eye. Who is your baby? Be careful. All right, give it up for Papi Wizzy, please. Put your hands together for him. Appreciate him. One more time. Thank you very much. Papi Wizzy.
Àwa la wà ń bí wọn lè débi kan tó débi kan àti máa change location iṣẹ́ wo ló wọ ẹ fún mi lọ́pù dé drop am no time abeg. One time louder one time let's go. Àdúrà mo gbà pé kẹ́rí bá ti ṣe àdúrà mo gbà. Pé kẹ́rọ́nà gbé gbà. Àdúrà mo gbà. Ẹni kú ní kékeré. Àdúrà mo gbà. Cause na you be matter for me wey matter pass. Wo, yeah. Na your matter be matter for me wey matter pass. Wey matter pass. Girl, you matter pass. Na your matter be matter for me wey matter pass. One time. Kí ló ń dowó? Say. It's your boy Papi Wizzy. Shaola. Give me your potato. One time, let's go. Say. Give me. Give me a potato. What's that? Kilo dowo. Kilo dowo. One time, let's go say. I want to turn up. Michael Chichi, no time. I want to turn up. I don't go fuck up. No way. Teach me how to fish. I don't wanna fish. Just teach me how to fish. Iṣẹ́ wo ló ń lọ? One time. No. Jagaban. Let's go. Tabajọra lé kò bad. Kájọ ṣàpàṣẹ kò bad. Bẹ́gí ìbad. Operation yẹn máa bá one time. Let's go. Say give me a potato. Hey. Adoto, shorty are broken. Call me Papi Wizzy. Is it too much? One time, let's go. Say. You can come with your friends. Come out, brah. Auntie see me. Tebalowa. Sack one day for you, baby. Oh, jump our pants. What is the time? I don't know clock. Say, I want to do a party. Vanessa, so you like the party. Girls on the highland, on the mainland, they just want to jump on that thing. I want to do a party. Vanessa, so you like the party. Girls on the highland, on the mainland. One time, let's go say, girl, I just wanna let you know. Say me, I dey fall for you now. My Michael Chichi, Sakmo day for you. Share you go day. One time, say, gbogbo owó tí mo pa lóṣù kan, mo máa ti fẹ́ lọ tán lọ́jọ́ kan. Àṣà náà ó gbówó mi ya. A máa ríra lọ́jọ́ kan. Etí ló fà máa ló gbé yín lánàá. Michael Chichi ló máa gbé yín lẹ́nu. Ẹ ti dógó ti fẹ́ bọ̀ ṣẹ́ fẹ́ mọ́. One time, Sakmo. Kí ló ṣe kókó? Owó ló ṣe kókó. Kí ló ṣe gbòòrò? Owó ló ṣe gbòòrò. You no fit come to my party, make you no enjoy. Up in the club, bottles they pop, around the club. I want to do a party. I'm not made your call with your party. The party book came out Katawa. The party book came out Brawa. The party book Malawa Karawa. Torawa Layewa and Peter $1. I want to meet you ye. I don't really like girls. Cynthia is already touching my belt. Ẹlẹ́rara lèmi náà, mo ti mẹ́rin sí bó ṣe ṣe ló ṣe mí náà. Ọ̀jẹ̀
tó bá lè jẹ́ṣẹ́ bàbá.
One time.
Ó dákò ṣe bàbá.
Thank you.
Attention.
Thank you. Enjoy yourself, man. God bless you. Thanks for having me today.
Check me money. Chaula. Olúwa ló ń control baby. It's your boy Papi Weezy. Ó ṣáàtì jẹ ṣàwámà. Ó dẹ̀ wá jẹ banana. Tó bá lè jẹ ṣe bàbá. Bóyá kò ṣe bàbá. Ta ni ó jẹ ṣàwámà? Ẹ jẹ banana. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá lè jẹ ṣe bàbá. Bóyá kò ṣe bàbá. Ṣe bàbá olómìgùn wà pàtó. Bóyá ṣe bàbá olómìgùn wà pàtó. Ṣe bàbá olómìgùn wà pàtó. Bóyá ṣe bàbá olómìgùn wà pàtó. Bóyá ṣe bàbá olómìgùn wà pàtó. Bóyá ṣe bàbá olómìgùn wà pàtó.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Papi Weezy. That was electrifying. I appreciate you. And I want to appreciate everybody here tonight. Adultaya. When you dey plan show, you know the way. After this show now, I go where. My eye go dey see front. Thank you very much, everyone that showed up tonight. I appreciate you. I won't take this for granted. No matter your support, I won't take it for granted. And God will continue to bless you. We'll do this again next year, better and bigger. That is the plan. I appreciate all the brands that supported this show, the individuals, the Chief Press Secretary. Thank you very much. The person of Oga Ismail Umigbedon, thank you very much. I appreciate you. You stay till the end of the show. Normally, you where I know, you go one waka, but you stay. God will bless you, sir. God will bless you, sir. Please appreciate him. Appreciate him. He is one of our supporter for this show. And he encourages the youth. Thank you very much. And again, I will appreciate K Dollar himself. I never met him, but he supported me via WhatsApp. You know, when you met somebody via social media, you are scared of what that person can do and what you can do for the person, but he supported me. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Continue to bless the youth. Continue to support entertainment in Osun. God bless you very much. Thank you. And also, Honorable Barrister Kayode Oduoye, Super K himself, thank you very much. You came down to Osun because of me. God will uplift you. No, God will uplift you already. God will lift you higher. He gets a kind of prayer point and say, God will uplift you. You know they done before now. Now me, there's somebody pray that prayer for. Say too much, God will uplift you. Sir, you will go higher in Jesus' name. And to my people here, Kao Concept, thank you very much. The CEO of Firewood Lounge. If you don't know Firewood Lounge, the first day where I hear that name, when the person say too much, meet me at Firewood. I say, I don't understand. What did they happen? You know, I try to understand, why will you be at Firewood? Is Firewood a place? But I got there and I was amazed. Thank you very much for your support. God bless you. Firewood Lounge is at Oroki Estate here. God bless you. God bless you. Waka for me. When I look the bottled water where they on our front, you see them are crested. Understand where? In fact, if you drink the water finish, carry the bottle go house. Carry them. Now part of the souvenir. Gave us bottle water. Not be 2, not be 3. It plenty way. If I share them, it will still remain. Thank you very much. God bless you. And my brother here, God bless you. Airtel see there, I beg. If you need MiFi, they said they will give you gifts. Instead of 10,000 naira, you buy it for 9,000 naira with gifts. Thank you very much, Airtel Nigeria. God will continue to uplift that brand. Thank you very much. Rave 91.7 FM. We continue to move from level to greater level to greater level. Put your hands together for Rave FM family, please. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all the... Is it ready? I know yeah. Hey, my birthday was this last week, 22nd. And I said I would celebrate it here. But as I the plan show, I forget. It never finish. Mommy Queen, thank you very much, my people. I know quick greet now. All the parishioners from St. Gerard Catholic Chaplains, I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. My birthday was actually 22nd. I said I would celebrate it today. But as I the plan show, I can't lean well because I dey pursue people about and I don't try. See my neck. And only. Mama Queen, this I be for your eye. All right. But happy birthday to me once again. Please say happy birthday to me. No, not say to me. Say happy birthday, MC Too Much. Some of you are saying happy birthday to me. Are you the one celebrating? Happy birthday to MC Too Much. Happy birthday to MC Too Much. Daddy, happy birthday to MC Too Much. Thank you. K-Dollar, bless me. Thank you. CPS, sir. My wife, you don't tell me tired, no worry. I go collect the remaining one for us. And my neighbors, my beautiful neighbors, they see you now, Mommy Tolani, Mommy. You know, say now this part of the world, you use the Peking name of the person to address them. Now, so, it remains more they call me Mommy and Daddy Mirabel. My name is TMC Too Much. Mona live like that. My daughter's name is Mirabel. But that doesn't mean you call me Daddy Mirabel. Hey, Joe. MC Too Much don't call me. Tomorrow, I will be celebrating my colleague here, Omobola Azan, a.k.a. Iyalo de Ojumito. Please stand up for recognition. Put your hands together for her. I appreciate her. Tomorrow is a birthday, and we pray God to bless you. I should bless you today, but the money where they give me, not be I don't know if you give you now. But I will bless you. I will help you. I will. So I call it, I say, money day. Not lie you. Money, we are hustling. Thank you, and we'll continue to celebrate many more years in Jesus' name. Thank you very much. Thank you, Brand Plus. Thank you for your support. I don't call some people, but if I don't call you, just thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. DJ Nifty, thank you very much. I appreciate you. My brother is doing the slide. Thank you. My flyer, everybody, thank you. Thank you very much. On this note, I will say to you, I will see you next year. Unscripted Comedy 3.0. Thank you very much. My brother, God bless you. God bless you. Yeah.
So we have in our midst Mr. Honorable Doctor, Engineer, Professor, Native Doctor. Oh, he's not a native doctor. Please put your hands together for Super K. Kayode Odoye. Now, I have the directive of K-Dollar to do a giveaway of 50,000 naira to somebody. Yes, that's my last assignment. Then we'll take over from the DJ and we'll go home. So you are here, you are a guy or you are a lady and you can dance. Come out and chop 50,000 from K-Dollar. I'm not joking, no. Quickly. Quickly. That's my assignment. Anybody? Tí o bá ti sí ká máa lọlé. Can you do it? Oh yeah, go. Who else? I'm not joking, no. Tí o bá ti sí ká máa lọlé. Anybody? Are you coming? I'm serious, so are you coming? Oh yeah, go. If you can. Anybody going? Okay, I'm not joking, no. Oh, let me share them, bio. I will lower. Oh yeah, go upstairs. 1. Who else? Who else is going? Don't waste my time, oh. Honorable Neo. Hey, Shori. Bye. Oko enko. You want to go also? Oh yeah, go. I know Supercake can decide to have some more money. How many of you come to the stage? Ebe jewo and she balabala. Who else? No woman. Cause obirin kankan ma bo 50 bay. Àwọn eléyìí incoming. Oh yeah. Okay, how many of you? I'm not joking, no. Oh yeah. 5 of them. Ladies and gentlemen, I have people that can double that money here. Oh yeah. DJ, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, 5 contestants. Watch them closely. On behalf of ITK, in person of K dollar, somebody is going to move 50,000 naira cash. Not joking, no nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. DJ. Wait, Oga, are you in the competition? Wait.
Hello, my brother.
DJ, wait, are you in the competition? You are there. All right, DJ, let's go. Oh yeah. On behalf of ITK, K dollar. Ṣé jó làwọn eléyìí tó bá ń torí ọlọ́? DJ wait. You think I'm joking ni? Lẹ́ ń jójú ọlọ́mọ léyìí. Àbórí yín yí. Ó yẹ jáde. Ó yẹ. Wound them. Oh shit, wound them. Let's go. Wound them. Super K is also on the seat. Wound them. DJ. Audience, should we cancel it? Hey, should we cancel it? Ṣé Jọ́nà ń jó ìyá àbí nǹkan mi? Ṣé ká cancel ẹ̀? Ká má cancel ẹ̀? Wọ́n ò jó. Èwo ló ń jó nu ìwọ máa lọ lẹ́yìn? Get out. Oh, ẹ kò fẹ́ dọ́ọ̀lù olú ẹ̀. Kò sí tó mọ jójó ń bí báyìí ni. Kò sí. Ìwọ Ọlọ́run ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ o. Èmi náà dẹ̀ mọ jójó. All right, DJ, let's go. The four of you. Let's go, Mr. DJ. Let's go. Heavy now.
Anijo Fuji lárinrin. Ẹlẹ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kẹ́màrà.
ITK is giving out 5 digits. Àwọn eléyìí ò mọ jójó. Irọ́ náà ń jó. Irọ́. Okay, I think they are warming up. $50,000 cash. All right, DJ, bring it. Stay all waka. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, stay all waka. Ṣé o ti gbọ́ fún rẹ o ṣáà ní sùúrù? Stay all waka. Okay, stay all waka. Okay, stay all waka. Ẹ máa lọ lé yín, ẹ ṣé. Now the 3 of you, let's go now. Who is winning my money? DJ, let's go. Wound time. Drop it now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's terrible.
ẹlòmíì kan jójú ọlọ́mọlé ni ijó ọlọ́mọlé lẹlòmíì ń jó. Can you see them? Can you see them? Can you see them? Who is winning my money? 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 All right, DJ, bring it down. DJ, bring it down. DJ, bring it down. DJ, bring it down. Everybody, stay all waka. Stay all waka. Stay all waka. All right, stay all waka. Stay all waka. All right, stay all waka. Stay all waka. Ẹ má dá mi lórí rú o. Stay all waka. Stay. Ní sùúrù. Stay all waka. Eh? Stay all waka. Waka abi. Stay abi. Okay, DJ, one more round for them. One more round for them. One more round for them.
Adding the voice and the speaks.
On behalf of Honorable K Dollar, Super K. We have Super K in the building also, ladies and gentlemen. DJ. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ wá. Kí ló dé? Ẹ̀yin ni coach ẹ̀ ni. Ẹ̀yin ni Ole Soles Kaja àbí kí ló kàn? Obìnrin ẹ kàn fún múra àbí ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ wá dúró báyìí kẹ́ lè fún múra dáadáa. Okay, women supporting women. Now, don't waste my time. Stay all waka. Stay all waka. All right, stay all waka. All right, stay all waka. Stay. All right, thank you. You can go back to your seat. Now, who is going to win my competition? A guy or a girl? 50,000 naira on behalf of K Dollar ITK incoming. All right, let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go. Drop it. Kilo de ejo. Oh, should they change the song? Should they change the song? Should they change the song? DJ wait. Should they change the song? Should they change the song? Eh? Should they change the song? No. Okay, now somebody said he can do better than them. Are you sure? Oh yeah, go upstage. Any other person that can dance better than these people? Any other person? I need one more. Any other person that can challenge them? Can I get? Can't change it. Is that music you want? Okay, people want that music. People want that music. All right, DJ, play that same music. Play that same music. Let's go, Mr. DJ. Let's go. On behalf of ITK File Koko, c'est même moi c'est George. Oh yeah, let's go. They are confused. One more person to be better. Who is gonna win my competition? Who is gonna win? 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 One time, say. 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 Ready now? Push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up now. Okay, say. Zig, say. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, who is winning my competition? Okay. One time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, who is winning my competition? Who is winning? Who is winning? Who is winning? Who is winning? Wunta. O'Shea. Ekpele ma, ekpele. Ekpele, akpapire ma, ekpele. All right, DJ bring it out, DJ bring it out, DJ bring it out, DJ bring it out. DJ bring it out. Stay all waka. Stay all waka. Stay all waka. Sọ̀rọ̀ stay all waka. Kí ló sọ?
Kàn sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Waka or stay.
Máa lọ léyìn. Máa lọ léyìn. All right, now one of them will be going home with 5 digits on behalf of K Dollar. Ladies and gentlemen, stay all waka. I need you to respond loud and clear. Stay all waka. Louder. Stay all waka. All right, to this beautiful guy, sorry, to this handsome guy, stay all waka. Stay all waka. If he's your winner, make some noise for him. One more time. If he's your winner, make some noise for him. If she's your winner, make some noise for her. One more time. If she's your winner, make some noise for her. All right. If he's your winner, make some noise for him. All right. Now, I think we have a winner, Abby. This is our winner, Abby. Is this our winner? Is this our winner? Is this our winner? Is this our winner? Now, by the power conferred on me, I hereby declare the competition inconclusive. 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 Okay, now this is what I'll do. DJ, bring it out. Give me something very heavy. DJ, wait. Mo fẹ́ lọ gbowó lọ́wọ́ K Dollar. So play nǹkan tó bá strong dáadáa. Ètò bá tójú nísìn ni màá kówó fún action. Action. Ladies and gentlemen, K Dollar in the building. That's what we're talking about. Ladies and gentlemen. 2020, it won't hear. I'm already here. DJ, ring it down. Okay.
JP's a production.
Ladies and gentlemen, DJ, ring it down. DJ, ring it down. DJ, ring it down. DJ, ring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one more time for the CPS of the governor of the state of Osun. Please, can we appreciate Mr. Ismail Omipi now, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. It is a woman who part of CPS. Kò lè yé yín. Èmi nìkan ló yé. Ó yé yín àbí? You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Now, Mr. DJ, one more time and I'll pick my winner. Let's go, DJ. Let's go, DJ. Let's go, DJ.
On va gâter le coin.
Wilson, say. Wilson. Oh shit. Wilson. O'Shea. One time, say. Who is your winner? Okay. All right, DJ, bring it out. For the last time, if she's your winner, make some noise for her. She will not gbọ́ ariwo fún rẹ̀. Èmi kọ́ o. One more time, if she's your winner, ìwọ náà fetí ara ẹ̀ gbọ́ súnmọ́ bí. If she's your winner, make some noise for her. Ṣó o ti gbọ́? Máa bọ̀. If he's your winner, make some noise for him. Ṣó o ti yí ẹ? Fẹ́ sọ pé ẹ máa rí election next year bó ṣe máa rí náà ni àwa ti mẹ́tò máa wọlé already ẹ má wọrí àní sọ fún yín àní tí ìtú àṣírí okay account number 01 ẹ má wọrí ìyẹn ò kàn yín ẹ ṣáà send owó èmi kọ́ mo ṣiṣẹ́ ni
ṣé mi ní your commission ẹ pa ká nọ́mbà jọ 01 GT Miduma ibi tá a ti ń ṣe láti ń jẹ máa yọ commission bàjẹ́bàjẹ́ ok ẹ ń retí owó tí ó pè nígbà ìpáyé ń ṣe mí máa pariwo látàárọ̀ lásán 01 48 15 2330 Super K ẹ máa support floor ṣé cash ni àbí transfer Super K mo ń bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín o Super K máa support the table o. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for K-Dollar. I just made the transfer. Please put your hands together for K-Dollar, ladies and gentlemen. Incoming ITK kò sẹ́ni tó lè dùn àwọn aláwa ń di ẹ̀ Super K ṣé cash ni àbí transfer ẹ support table ẹ kò support table. Key music cash àbí transfer owó ní méjèèjì. Àwọn eléyìí máa ń gbówó rìn ní àwọn eléyìí ò kì í ṣe. That's the husband of Mosufilani o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ wọ́n o. Ṣé mo Mosufilani ọkọ wọn nìyẹn? Mo kàn wọ́n mọ̀ mo fẹ́ casting ni. Oya ẹ̀kọ́ wa ibi tá a fi ń ṣe la fi ń jẹ. Ẹ̀yin ní sùúrù o. Ẹ ṣáàrò ṣe díje dúró. Dúró. Ṣé ronú pé máa gbowó tẹ́lẹ̀ ni? Ọlọ́run kàn fẹ́ dá yín lọ́lá ni. Ẹ ṣe jàre. Ẹ ṣe o. Ẹ ṣe. Ṣé mi mo jó? Ẹ máa gbà tí mo ti ń pariwo. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Super K. Put your hands together for Super K. Appreciate Super K, ladies and gentlemen. Kò lè yé yín incoming. Strategy tá à ń gbé bọ̀. Sorry, ẹ má jẹ́ I don't want to. I'm a public figure. So, kí là ń sọ lọ tẹ́lẹ̀? DJ dúró. Kí là ń sọ lọ? So ẹ lọ jókòó. Tí n bá tó ṣe tán látò jọ sọ. Ṣé ẹ ṣí? Àbórí yín yí. Ẹ lọ jókòó firewood èlò fọ́kọ́sì yín. Ó yẹ kí n lè mu méjì lálẹ́ yìí. Pẹ̀lú ṣàwámà àti àsun. Ìlàbò bá ń pè. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, would like to now. There's a debate competition coming up very shortly. I won't tell you much about it now. And at that debate competition, somebody will be going home with ₦1 million. I'm not joking. I'll tell you much more about it later. But I don't want to divulge too many information now. So on that note, somebody, Super K, MRT Law, and you left any competition ilé, debate competition. 2 people are coming out to debate on topic ìwòlálẹ̀ mú ẹ fún mi topic. Between PDP and APC, who is better? Irọ́ ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ àṣẹ yẹn o. Mi ò ṣe. Ẹ fún mi topic. Ìwọ tó bá ti lè win debate competition yìí lórúkọ Super K 20,000. Mi ìṣeré èèyàn méjì. Tó bá mọ̀ pé o lè ṣe debate dáadáa máa bọ́ǹta èèyàn méjì. Mi ìṣeré o. I'm not joking. Àwọn èèyàn mọ̀wé o. So kò sẹ́ni tó lè sọ̀rọ̀. I'm not joking. Ó yá come. Má bọ̀. Mi ìṣeré. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn. Ó yá máa lọ ta. One more opponent kan ṣó lẹ́yìn tó lè takú ẹ̀ morogo ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ o so ijó nìkan lẹ mọ̀ ọjọ́ the 2 of you okay good ẹ fẹ́ takú ara yín ni o ó yá máìkì dà ẹ jọ ẹ fún mi topic tó gbóná ẹ jọ ẹ yá mi topic náà.
Sanchez 1-2.
ẹ fún mi topic mú máìkì yẹn wá mú wá bring the mic. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún mi topic. Ta ló lè fún mi topic? Okay, daddy, give me a topic. Tó máa hot gan ni o. DJ, wait, yes sir.
Youth and integrity.
Oh, beautiful. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún wọn. God bless you. Thank you for that topic. Youth and integrity. Who is speaking for and who is speaking against? You are speaking youth and integrity. Youth and integrity. Who is speaking? Do you want to speak for or you want to speak against? Pick one. Àwọn eléyìí ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Kí ló ní kó ṣe?
I asked him to pick one.
Ìwọ wá sọ pé.
Against.
Okay, you are speaking against. You are speaking for. Ladies and gentlemen, debate competition between these 2 people. Youth gbọ́ topic. Ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ ṣe debate. Kò sí tó ń jẹ́ on what pé youth ṣá ní integrity àbí ṣé àṣẹ mò ń sọ ni. Okay, daddy, elaborate.
Yeah, so
Bring it down. Everybody wait.
maybe just speak on youth and integrity, a challenge for contemporary leadership.
Ejo Tani, who are you? Wait, who are you, sir?
I know what I'm saying.
DJ, wait. No, that topic is a very brilliant one. Take it again, sir.
Yeah.
Take it again.
Youth and integrity,
Okay.
a challenge for a contemporary leadership. Simple.
Show ye ko ye mi gan.
Okay, see, it is like this. Just speak on. We have crops of leaders now. Okay. What is the conception of integrity, even with people who are leading us? We don't want to delve into politics so as not to be biased. So, but we want to speak on youth and integrity because we are even preparing for next election. Ọ̀dọ́ àti ẹ̀sán Yorùbá bọ̀dá.
Ìwà rere ọ̀dọ́ nípa ìwà ọmọnìyàn ọ̀dọ́ kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ rí nípa ìwà àti ìṣe rere tí àwa ọ̀dọ́.
Ejo, ṣé topic yẹn ò le jù báyìí?
Ẹ jẹ́ ká dákẹ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká bring it down.
You want to debate too? You want to compete?
Ìwà
Oya,
àti ìṣe rere ọ̀dọ́ kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ wò pé ọ̀dọ́ lè ṣe láti jẹ́ ká jẹ́ adarí? Ṣé ó dáa ká jẹ́ adarí rere bá a ṣe lè jẹ́ adarí rere àti bí a ṣe lè jẹ́ adarí burú? Ṣé gẹ́tì báyẹn? Ṣé adarí rere tá a jẹ́ yẹn ṣé nǹkan gidi ni bí a ṣe lè jẹ́ adarí rere? Ṣé nǹkan burúkú ni nǹkan tá à ń ṣe lọ́wọ́?
torí ẹ̀ la ṣe nídìí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ní ìjọba tá à ń bọ̀ yìí.
Okay, good.
ITK ṣóyè yín.
Good. Ẹ bá ń gbé microphone.
Supake
Ẹ bá ń gbé
ṣóyè yín.
microphone.
ITK ṣóyè yín.
Ẹ ṣé.
torí ẹ̀ la ṣe nídìí ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́.
Thank you. Bring it down.
ṣe gbọ́ sà. Supake ṣóyè yín sà. Supake you are a youth sir. You are a youth
Ẹ má yẹ
sir.
kó complex jù. Don't let us make it too complex. Now, who is going first? 20,000 naira for the winner. Who is going first? Okay, you want put your hands together for this lady. Put your hands together for her. Can you appreciate her? Please let us make them feel welcome. All right, your time. Do you understand the topic? Confidence ọmọ ìpọ̀. Confidence ọmọ yẹn pọ̀ gan. All right, let's go. Please, decorum in the house. Ma? That is woman for you, Ekpele, woman advocate. Let's go. Please, decorum in the hall. Action.
Hello everyone, my name is Dorcas, and first and foremost, I'm going to start with the definition of integrity, because we cannot talk on what we don't understand, right? Integrity is simply standing by your word, right? So as a person, you should be able to stand by your word. So relating it to youth, we should consider something first.
DJ, wait. Things are low. Salo! All right, they bring it down. We are sorry for interrupting you. When somebody heard your prowess, he ran away. Action. Decorum in the hall. Action. Let's go.
Okay.
Bring it down. Let's go.
Okay, just like I said before, my name is Dorcas, and I started off by saying we cannot talk on what we don't understand. And that's what we make as Nigerians. First and foremost, what is integrity? Integrity is simply, don't let us go to the vocabulary, let's just make it plain, right? Integrity is just simply means standing by your word. So now, relating it to youth, first and foremost, for you to consider integrity, you should consider the environment as well. Relating to youth in Nigeria, we can say, okay, generally speaking, youth do not value what is called integrity again. And there are some reasons behind it, which I'm going to state for you right now. First and foremost, right, in the early 1960s to early 2000s, Nigeria was a better place. You will all agree with me. There were times in OAU that you get food for free. Because my dad tells me the stories, and he tell you, you get food for like 1-2 kobo. So you can expect the youth of then to actually stand by the truth. But right now, where in fact, when you graduate, sorry to say, I'm a final year student, and I know that when I graduate, there's no job.
Decorum in the house.
And I know that when I graduate, there is no work waiting for me. So before we put the blames on you that you do not have integrity, let's consider the circumstances around. You graduate and there is nothing for you to do, right? How can you stand by your word? You graduate and there is no incentives. In fact, your basic human right is abused as a youth. Even if you have 50K in your account, they tell you you're a Yahoo lady. What is that? So when it comes to integrity, let us look at our leadership first before we point fingers. But
Decorum, 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 decorum.
But looking at the environment, let us look at the basic human need. We are created to differentiate what the good from bad. So because you say
You have 30 more seconds.
So because you say Nigeria is not good, doesn't mean that you should not have integrity. It is just excuses to say you are in an environment that doesn't promote integrity. As a human being, you have the free will to choose what you want to choose.
Wow.
So
Put your hands together for her. That's your time. That's your time. Put your hands together for her, ladies and gentlemen. Stay there. All right. The next speaker, your time starts now.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eric Fig.
Decorum in the house, please. Action.
I'll be speaking on youth integrity. As my colleagues have said, she has spoken on youth integrity fading away in the country, in which I won't accept that. I won't like to define youth integrity again, not to waste my time. As we all know, youth integrity is still what we stand upon here today. Youth integrity has grown in the country to the extent that we are now having youth as an entrepreneur. Youth integrity has brought someone in person of someone like MC Too Much to gather these events today. Youth integrity in the country in the years past truly is far away from what we can think about, but nowadays, youth integrity are becoming the part and parcel of the youth of this era. Youth integrity in the sense of not standing by our words, I would like to say that is things of past. We have people standing by word, we have youth standing by word, and I think the country as a whole presently, we are having youth of creativity, entrepreneur, standing by words, and are making things out of their integrity. So I won't like to talk much. Youth integrity is what we are standing upon presently, and is what we still continue to stand.
Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. All right. Now, as we both listen to them, who is your winner? Who is your winner? Who? Who is your winner? Him? Is he your winner? Is he your winner? One more time. Is he your winner? Is she your winner? Listen carefully. Bring it out. Is she your winner? One more time. Is he your winner? I think we have a tie. Am I right? Do we have a winner? Is there a tie? Okay, sir, you are the chief judge. Come. And you know, left one topic. You are the chief judge. DJ, bring it out. Bring it out. Hold on, hold on.
The both. No, the
hold
both,
on, hold on. Hold on.
All protocol observed. They both spoke well. This guy spoke in relation to the validation of what we are doing today, which is good. But you were not coherent in your presentation.
Yes, yes.
You were not. You appeal to our emotion in terms of, MC Too Much is just once in the millions of youths that we have in this country. But this guy spoke in a very convincing way and in a very universal manner. So she has my vote.
Wow. Please, can we appreciate him? Sorry, sir. Please come. Please come, sir. Please come. Are you in the education line? Are you in the education line? What do you do?
I'm a Catholic priest.
Oh, wow. Please, can we appreciate him? Very, very articulate. Very articulate. Thank you very much. All right. Without mixing words, I present to you the winner of this debate competition. Put your hands together for her. 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 DJ, bring it down. DJ, bring it down. DJ, bring it down. DJ, bring it down. Now, the Catholic community is supporting her with 10,000 naira extra. The Catholic community here present is supporting her with 10,000 naira. But I think we should also give him something. Yes or no? We should give him something. Yes or no?
We should give him something, yes or no? All right, hold on. K-Dollar is calling me. All right, young man, Balogun Dodondawa will be giving you 10,000 naira. Put your hands together for him. He's giving you 10,000 naira. He's giving you 10,000 naira. He's giving you 10,000. Wait. Now, my sister, you just got a very strong opportunity. I told you that there's a debate competition coming up and the winner will win $1 million, yes? You just got automatic tickets to the finals.
Wow.
She just got automatic tickets to the finals. Please, can we appreciate K-Dollar for that very big initiative? You just won automatic ticket to the finals. So you are competing for 1 million naira. Please put your hands together for her one more time. Put your hands together for her. So you meet with Super K now. You will get across. You don't know Super K? Oh, man. I'm a Luo near.
Don't worry. See.
I'm a Super K. Oh, Moyo. That's him. Say thank you to him. He will know how to get the money across to you. Please put your hands together for him, ladies. So hold on. See me. I will know how to meet him. Take a picture with him. Now come and meet Balogun Dodondawa. He's giving you 10,000. Now please put your hands together for Balogun also. Please, can we appreciate him? Can we appreciate him? All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was just to engage us. Yes, this is Balogun. Say thank you to K-Dollar too. All right, on that note, we'd like to say thank you for your patience and for your very strong commitment. Please, can we appreciate MC Too Much one more time? That is the end of the event.
Right,
please put your hands together for over to you, DJ Nifty. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and God bless. Thank you. Check. Thank you. One time. Oh shit. One time. One time. Oh shit. MC Too Much in the building, ladies and gentlemen. One time. Super K. Water, Malaga, water. Oh shit, ladies and gentlemen, I got super. Wow, thank you very much. Water, ladies and gentlemen. Oh shit, water. Oh shit, K-Dollar. One time for the ladies and gentlemen. Oh shit. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Anywhere you go, I go follow. When I up the music, make it go low. And I go give you steady on the slow. Baby, don't tell me that you Shawty, I know you like to party. I'm a total money. Show my body shit. Yeah, baby, come on back. Innocent no party. Yeah, I'm gonna make you happy. Make you happy. Up in my Maserati. Baby, up in my Maserati. I say up in my Maserati. Up in my Maserati. Girl, I wanna see you go down. Yeah, say me I love the way you bend body. Up in my Maserati. Baby, up in my Maserati. And I just wanna see you cry. Somebody needs somebody. My body, your body. I'm up to all of you. Somebody needs somebody. My body, your body. I'm up to all of you. Up in my Maserati.
London. My name is MC Too Much. Today is my day. Unscripted comedy with MC Too Much 2.0. Thank you so very much. I'm happy, and I cannot express everything in my mind now. I cannot just express my mind, but I'm very, very happy that they are here today and everybody here to celebrate me. We will celebrate many, many more years. Comedy Unlimited, music. Thank you very much, and don't worry. You whenever see us they go, you will see them later. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
they carry or something. He said, darling, I'm watching you. Small thing, you don't move. When you come, they shout only. The money, you know what for. See what you carry.
Alright, this is my beautiful wife. She's here to celebrate me too. And I'm happy she's here. Thank you very much, dear.
You're welcome.
Now, so you talk, you know the talk past that one. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Carry me, the girl, carry over, no, check it in the end about you. Carry me, the girl, carry over, no, check it in the end about you.
In case you don't know, this is my Reverend Father. I'm the chaplain of my chaplaincy. My spiritual father. He has to be here to celebrate me. Thank you very, very much, Reverend Father Simeon. Thank you for coming out to celebrate me tonight. You're welcome. Congratulations. Thank you very much, Father. Thank you very much. Today is a great day. Today is a great day. Thank you.
I love the way you move it, oh. I can feel the vibration of your body moving. You put your body into it. I can see what you're doing, oh, baby. Carry me, the girl.